Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to check your Agoda booking ID. So guys, go to your dashboard on your account as you can see here and click this name icon and go to booking as you can see here. Wait a second, and as you can see here guys, if you have any booking you find there as you can see here. In my case I don't have any booking, just you can see just like this example as you can see here. And this is how you can do. This is your hotel ID, you find this one, and this is number as you can see here, and the red icon here, and this currency, and the city hotel per ID. This is how you can do. And if you want to cancel, you can click here and you can choose here upcoming, and this is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content.